Hi there. Welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to create an email template in GoHighLevel. Creating an email template in GoHighLevel can be a game changer for anyone looking to streamline their email marketing efforts. By using templates, you can save a significant amount of time while maintaining consistency across your campaigns. Whether you are a small business owner or part of a marketing team, mastering this skill will help you efficiently manage your marketing communications and enhance your brand's image. Let's dive right into the process of creating your email template in GoHighLevel. First, open your web browser and navigate to GoHighLevel.com. Once you're there, sign in using your account credentials. This will take you to your dashboard, which is the hub for all your marketing tools and resources. It's like having a command center to manage your marketing campaigns. Now let's proceed to the email builder. Take a look at the left-hand navigation panel and find the option labeled Marketing. This is where you'll find all the features related to your email campaigns. Click on it to reveal a top menu with several options. Here, you'll want to select Emails to enter the email management area. The next step involves accessing the Template Manager. Still on the Emails page, look towards the top area where you'll see various tabs. Locate the one labeled Templates and click on it. This is your gateway to the Email Template Manager, a place where you can view existing templates, make edits, and of course create brand new ones tailored to your marketing needs. Now it's time for the exciting part, creating your new template. Look for a button that says Plus New, and give it a click. A menu will expand, offering you different options. From this menu, choose Email Marketing Templates. This selection sets you on the path to building your custom template from scratch. When you start creating your template, GoHighLevel offers a choice of editors, such as the Design Editor or the Inline Editor. Each editor has its own unique features. For example, the Design Editor might be more visually driven, while the Inline Editor could be more straightforward. Select the editor that best fits your style by clicking the corresponding button. It might take a moment to load, so be patient. Once the editor is ready, the first task is to name your template. In the template settings, you'll notice a field labeled Template Name, or something similar. Enter a descriptive name that captures the essence of the template's purpose. This will make it easier to locate and reuse when needed. Now let's get creative. Use the editor to craft your email. You can add headers, body text, images, and call to action buttons to make your email more engaging. Click into the block and replace the placeholder content with your own text, images, or design elements. This is a great opportunity to ensure your email aligns with your brand's voice and goals. Once you're happy with the design and content of your template, don't forget to save it. Click on the button labeled Save Template to store your creation in the template library. This library acts as a repository where you can access your template anytime you need it for future campaigns. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom email template in GoHighLevel, ready to streamline your email marketing efforts. Hopefully this tutorial helped you understand how to create an email template in GoHighLevel quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like how to create an email template in GoHighLevel, be sure to subscribe to PMN Online.